In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for project management. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to streamline your collaboration efforts, this guide will help you navigate through the essential features of Jira, making your project management tasks more efficient. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to Jira. Once you've landed on the home page, the next step is to locate your space or project. You'll notice a plus sign associated with it. Give that a click to proceed. This action is your gateway to start a new project or expand your workspace within Jira. Following this, you'll be presented with different options. Look for software development and click on it. This section is specifically catered to development teams and is an ideal choice if your project revolves around software creation or enhancement. Now, you're at the template selection screen. Here you'll see an array of templates available. Take your time to browse through these as they cater to various project needs. Once you've found the one that best suits your project requirements, simply click on it. With the template selected, you'll see an option to Use Template. Clicking this will guide you through the setup process, presenting two choices on how your project can be managed, either as a team-managed or company-managed project. For most smaller, autonomous teams, the team-managed option is usually the preferred choice, offering flexibility and ease of use. Select the appropriate management type based on your organizational needs. Now, it's time to give your project a name. Think of something that's clear and descriptive so team members instantly recognize it. Typing it in, you'll have a better sense of how this project fits into the larger scope of your company or team objectives. Further, you'll need to choose how your space will be managed and define access permissions. These parameters ensure that only authorized team members have access to specific parts of your project, maintaining both security and order. Once you've got these specifics sorted out, click Next to proceed. While you may encounter options for additional configurations, feel free to skip unnecessary steps for now to keep things simple. The main focus is to get you started efficiently. Upon completion of the setup, go ahead and click on the backlog. This takes you to a pivotal part of project management within Jira where you can create sprints for bugs, tasks, and more. It's a dynamic space where team members can map out their work over defined periods, allowing for effective tracking and management. Lastly, explore other sections like timeline, summary, board, calendar, and list. Each one offers unique capabilities and tools to visualize, track, and optimize different aspects of your projects. Understanding how to navigate these efficiently can greatly enhance your project management practices within Jira. Now you're all set to manage your projects with greater confidence and effectiveness using Jira.